Okay, we are going to do a home tour. This is our property located at 157 North, 200 West in Ogden. This is a single family home. It is one level, 2-car garage. We have 3 beds, 2 baths. So we're just going to go through the front door here. This property has had brand new carpets just installed. This is our front room, nice, bright, and open. We've got the dining room and an exterior exit right there, just off the dining room. Just to the right here through the front door, we have a closet. And then straight ahead will take us to the kitchen area. Again, nice, bright, open floor plan here. Get a view from this angle. Over the stove, microwave, refrigerator. All right, we're gonna catch bedroom number 1 here. A nice ceiling fan, again, brand new carpets. Everything's just been painted and updated. So we've got a closet there. And then we'll hit bathroom number 1. Just off the kitchen and off of this first bedroom here. I'm gonna catch this pantry right here. This is in the kitchen area. We've got bedroom number 2. Nice size bedroom. Bright and open. Again, brand new paint and carpets. We have a second pantry here just off the kitchen right here, so plenty of storage. And then just behind the kitchen is our laundry area. So washer dryer would go here. And then I'm gonna catch the garage right here. Again, everything in this property is in one level. We don't have good lighting in the garage. Not sure where the switch is, but nice open 2-car garage. All right, and then bedroom number 3. This is the master bedroom. Ceiling fan, nice, bright, and open. And then we have a walk-in closet right to the right of the entrance to the master bedroom. And then here is the master bathroom.